Isa yan sa posibilidad. Pwede mangyari. Kasi narinig ko na yan sa meeting namin. Lahat ng mga halos majority ng aming kasama sa partido ay gustong tumakbo si Pangulong Duterte. And everyone is excited kung tumakbo siya. But the final say remains with the former president. Hindi naman siguro, hindi naman sa for protection purposes dahil hindi naman niya kailangan ng protection pa, no? Because I am sure if this government, the present government is reasonable enough, the former president should be protected. Hindi naman niya kailangan ng additional protection, pero sa kanya lang is siguro just to make sure that he can still contribute